Hello everyone! This is Cheryl again from Saladmaster here in Perth, and today I'm going to show you a simple pancit or stir-fry noodle, the Filipino version. So, what are the ingredients? Vegetable like carrots, zucchini, capsicum, onion, celery, cabbage. Actually, whatever you want. I got some fried chicken that I cut into pieces. And this is optional. You can put some shiitake mushroom. So what I did, I soaked it in water, then drained afterwards. And of course, for the noodle, I'm going to use a Filipino golden bihon, super cute. It comes in 4 sheets like this. I only used 1. And what I did, I just soaked it in water about 10 to 15 minutes and then drain, and this is how it looked like. Now let's cut the vegetables. And I'm going to use cone number 4 for my onion. Actually, you can use red or brown onion, doesn't matter. So in a normal Filipino cooking, you have to fry the garlic or the onion, but this time I just put all in. Capsicum, cone number 4. Celery using cone number 4. Cabbage, red cabbage, cone number 4. Basically, you just put whatever vegetable you want. Now I'm going to use cone number 2 for my zucchini and some carrots. That's it. And I'll just put all in and cook for 8 minutes. Okay, now it's time to cook the pancit or the stir-fry noodle. So heat up the electric skillet at 180 degrees Celsius, and then I'm just going to throw everything in. But alternatively, you can fry the chicken first, and then those chicken bits, that will add some flavor to your noodle, but it's also okay to just do it like this. So, what you have to do, put the noodle, and then just put all in. The vegetable, it's optional if you want chicken. This is the fried chicken that I cut into pieces. Another optional thing if you want shiitake mushroom or any kind of mushroom. Now for the seasoning, as I said, this is a Filipino version, so I use a Filipino soy sauce, 1/4 cup, and 3/4 cups of water, and I added some black pepper. That's it. Just mix it and then just put it in here. That's it. Very simple. So, 180 degrees, and I'll cook it for 8 minutes. In a normal Filipino way of cooking, we keep on stirring during cooking. Saladmaster, just put all in and let the cooker do its job. 8 minutes. After that, that's the only time I'll mix it. After cooking. After 8 minutes, it's done. Now, this is the only time I'll mix it. After cooking. That's my simple pancit, stir-fry noodle, Filipino version. And you can put some spring onion for garnishing. Thank you for watching! Now, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!